Mininfra ScanT Plus is a near-infrared grain analyzer for fast and accurate analysis of whole grains and flour. Due to its small size, lightweight and 12-volt power supply, it is not only laboratory instrument, but it is portable and suitable for one-site analysis as well. Thanks to its special optical solution called single beam compensation system, the instrument can be used right after turning it on. No warm-up time is needed. Different grain types require different sample holders according to the size of the kernels. Mininfra ScanT Plus is delivered with one 18mm sample holder for wheat, barley, rye, durum, etc. Additional sample holders are optional. In case of whole grains, filling the sample into the cuvette is a very easy task. Just fill the kernels into the sample holder, shake it a little bit, and it is ready for the measurement. The large touch screen and the clear menu system make the analysis a very fast and simple task for everyone. The results can be printed out by the built-in thermal printer or saved to a USB flash drive.